What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. I am so freaking pumped that you stopped by today. If you're new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos throughout the month. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, do all the things so that you do not miss out. Below in the description section, I've got all of my recording gear, all of my riding gear. I also have all of my Millie Life apparel. Click on the links below to see that. We've got some really cool stuff there. And today we've just got a little update video for you guys. So let's jump right in. Today, we've got an update video for you guys. I have not been riding because there is still something not quite right with my bike. I took it out last week to ride and it was still making that squealing noise. And if you guys missed Something Was Wrong Part 1 and Something Was Wrong Part 2, that'll give you a little bit more background of what we've done so far. But nonetheless, it is still making that squealing noise. And it is particularly hard or kind of restricted, wobbly to turn to the left. So I've started shopping around, calling around to see what different Harley mechanics have availability / what they'll charge to take a look and see what the hell is going on. But right now I just don't feel comfortable riding, which is too bad because the first day of spring was Monday and today it's supposed to be close to 80, but some rain. But you know, we're getting into the riding season and I want my bike to be in commission. So if you guys have any suggestions, put them in the links. If you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, she's headed into the shop, hopefully early next week, and we'll see what's going on. So I'll keep you guys posted. In other news, Matt and I have an exciting announcement coming up next week. So you'll want to make sure that you are subscribed, hit that bell, get the notifications. Some pretty exciting stuff happening with some of the businesses that we run. So check it out. And for those of you who don't know, Matt is my husband. He is the lovely owner of the Lowrider S right over here. And of course, this is my Fat Bob. My GoPro just timed out, like stopped recording. Do any of you that use a GoPro ever face that? I'm not really sure what goes on there. Sometimes it happens a lot, sometimes it doesn't happen that much. It's fully charged, the SD card is not full, so I'm not quite sure. It's doing it again. Ugh. Okay, so it's doing it again. I'm not quite sure why. Where was I going with that? Oh, customizations for this summer. So I'm thinking about putting on bi-risers for my bike, just lifting the handlebars up a little bit higher, maybe a little bit more comfortable ride. And I think that's really it for customizations for the bike. Eventually, I would love to do what Matt has done and relocate my gauge to the top of the bike. I don't know if you can see up there, but he's got his up on the handlebars, which I think is just way more convenient for being able to watch your speed and your RPMs. You're not looking down and then back up, right? Eyes on the road. And I just really love the way that it turned out. I was kind of against it when he first did it. I thought it would look kind of weird, but it looks so sick. So that may be further down the road. That's a little bit more of an investment, but definitely something that I'll be looking to do. Also this summer, I'm going to look to try to fix the paint on my bike. I was taking photos for one of my thumbnails and I had on my Harley Davidson riding shoes and they have a logo right here on the ankle bone and I scratched my paint. Yeah, not the best idea sometimes to lay on your bike with those on. I totally didn't see that coming and it was such a bummer. But that's what we've got kind of coming down the line for this spring and summer. I'll keep you guys updated on the repair. Fingers crossed that they can get her in soon and it's not anything crazy. I mean, we've already replaced the tires, rebalanced them. So I'm not too sure what's going on there, but we'll figure it out and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. that's gonna be it for today, guys. Just a quick update. I'm not out riding, unfortunately. So as soon as I can get her into the shop, we'll have some more vlogging content coming up, especially with the weather getting nicer. Woohoo! Leave it in the comments below what you'd like to see this spring and summer on the channel, and let me know what are some customizations that you guys are doing to your bikes this spring, this summer, currently, further down the road. As always, I'd love to hear from you guys. My name is Danielle. This is the Millie Life, and until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.